Resolution motion was passed with 22 to 16 with one speaker supporting the ruling coalition. It makes actually support of 23 members with 16 members opposing it. We have proved before the people of India right from beginning they did not have number, and it was only hype, possibly because there was a demand which was coming that Digvijay step down as a general secretary and as a desk in charge. This happens when you come to Goa only to enjoy, not to work. Today's incident, I won't express anything, but I think there are wild allegations being made. Those with colored glasses make these allegations. As you saw, everyone voluntarily came and voted. None of them were kept in a hotel room or in a secluded common place, as was the case of opposition. And now on 22nd there will be speaker selection, 23rd governor's address, 24th budget, and the session will end there to meet again as per the requirement. We will hold a cabinet tomorrow, so that portfolios are few portfolios, one each will be distributed tomorrow evening. By tomorrow, it may be declared day after tomorrow, because the governor has a program outside Goa, so it will require the formality of faxing it, taking her signature and coming back. Maybe it will be notified day after tomorrow morning. Swearing in two ministers will be in the middle, somewhere in the after 1st of April. Let the budget session go through. After budget session, cabinet is for number one, governor's speech has to be approved. There are some minor issues which might be requiring cabinet attention. So, plus we have not met as a cabinet because I was waiting for vote of confidence. I have not cleared important files. I have not cleared policy decision files. I only cleared the routine standard files. Not because I was under pressure, but I thought it proper and appropriate that if any policy decision is required, the vote of confidence had to be complied with.